Prepsters. This is Ola with Pandemic Prepsters, bringing you dehydrated onions and garlic. Right now I'm talking about onions and how the best way to dehydrate them. Now you can freeze dry onions, but I find I prefer to keep my freeze dryer available for other things where onions are wonderful dehydrated. All right, so here we have some finely diced onions, and these dehydrate beautifully. They will sometimes caramelize. If they caramelize kind of like this one, caramelization means the sugar has come to the top and it makes it very sweet. Now, these were some that we had already put in the dehydrator, but they're a little bit too large, so this is a perfect example to show you. These have been dehydrating for 2 days, where we've already gotten other cycles of dehydrated onions out that were smaller chopped like those, or sliced like these. So that's your tip. And the other thing you really want to do is dehydrate these outside. Both onion and garlic smell amazing, but not all throughout your house. I've learned the hard way. So make sure you're dehydrating these out back. I do it on my back porch, set up a little table, throw it out there, and it works wonderful. And it smells delicious too. So remember, we want to add flavor in any time of need because bland food is yuck. So I like flavor. Onions and garlic give me flavor. All right, we'll be right back with some information on garlic. We're back and we're talking about dehydrating garlic. I tell you, the smell is amazing, delicious. A teaspoon to tablespoon added to your anything. I made Spanish rice last night, and I added a tablespoon as I'm making my Spanish rice instead of the old-fashioned way of slicing it and stuff. It's wonderful, easy to do. Make sure you keep this not only for your long term, but for your pantry use as well. So here we have some minced garlic. We got this at Costco, and it's easy. We just use a strainer, and about 2 cups fit on that dehydrator tray. Make sure you use the parchment paper as well. And look at all that juice that we were able to pull out of the garlic. So you make sure you want to strain this. That will make your dehydrating go way faster. So, and again, just like the onions, you want to do this outside. All right, so we'll be taking these out in a few minutes and you'll see us loading. Go out to my dehydrator outside and load these in. Come follow me. There I go. I have my dehydrator out on my back porch, and I'm just going to start loading. Now I have this set for about 8 hours, and I have it at 125. I like to keep it not too hot because I don't want the onions to caramelize too much. All right, and we're going to load this up and we'll be back when it's done. Let's check and see how they're doing. Oh, these look gorgeous. Look at that. Look at that. Wow, that is beautiful. All right, let's take these inside. All right, I am back. These are ready to be put into mason jars. Now, what I'm doing is something called conditioning. I take my dehydrated things and put it in mason jars, and I'm gonna keep an eye on them for about 4 to 5 days, up to 7 days, and I will once I put these in there, I'm going to put these smaller onions in here. You can use your funnel, that's why it's there. And what it does is it ensures that your stuff is fully dehydrated, because vegetables, especially vegetables like carrots and such, they will hold on to moisture and release it after a few days. So if you get in the habit of conditioning, and it's that simple, you put it in a mason jar, put a lid on, and then you're going to shake it every day, and then you're going to look to see if there's any moisture that builds up. If you see a little bit of moisture, put it back on your dehydrator for a couple of more hours and then start the process again. However, if you've ever seen mold, I'm so sorry, but you need to toss it. Better to be safe than sorry. All right, let's get these packed up. And now what we're going to do is once these are properly conditioned, then I can place them in Mylar bags to store for longer term. These will last roughly 5 to 10 years under best practices of storing Mylar below 70 degrees. If you have any other questions, don't forget to leave a comment down below. Like and share our videos. Let's get the word out how easy it is to add some amazing flavor to your food and make this easy for you and your family. From the Pandemic Prepsters to you, our Prepsters, have a beautiful day. Hi Prepsters. Well, these dehydrated garlic and onions and potatoes, oh my, are ready for their Mylar bag home until we use them next. So we're gonna bag these up and we'll be right back when we're finished. Hi Prepsters, now that you have your garlic, your onions, and your potatoes bagged up, all you have left to do is add an oxygen absorber and seal them up and place them in a bin for safekeeping. And don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. From the Pandemic Prepsters, have a wonderful day.